Hi, this is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see media call, ringtone notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volume level of all of these medias, ringtones and notifications, you should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels by this way. Here you could turn on or turn off the Dolby Atoms option, to activate or turn off the spatial sound, to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, to activate or turn off the Crystal Talk Out option, to use the multi-volume, to change phone ringtone for SIM 1, SIM 2, to use the live captions. In media section we could pin media player or show media recommendations with the help of those watchers. Let's go back. In vibration and haptics we got here the vibration and haptic settings. We could turn on or turn on all of them just by click on each of those watcher. Let's go back. Here we got default alarm and notification sounds. We could choose them. To activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock unlock sound, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, and to show icons one device in vibration mode. So just to turn on and turn off all of the options we should use the switchers. And also we could flip the device for D&D, pick up to silence, and to change media controls, to use them like just to change the tracks, the next or previous tracks in just on screen off. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Motorola phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.